How to log in to Ubisoft account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Ubisoft account. To do so, first of all, you need to ensure that you have already created an account on Ubisoft. Once you have done that, now you will need to open the Ubisoft Connect application on your mobile device, or you may also use the official website of Ubisoft, which is ubisoft.com. Here I am using the application. Once you open your Ubisoft Connect application, you will land on this home page. Here you will be able to see two different options. The first one is Login. Here you will need to now tap on this Login button. If you are new to Ubisoft, you will need to create an account first. For that, here you will need to tap on Create an Account. I have already created an account, so I am tapping on this Login button right here. After that, you will be taken to this Login interface. Here you will be asked to enter your valid email address associated to your account, and in the second box, you will need to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. After entering the password, you may also tap on the I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you have forgotten your password and couldn't log into your account, then you may tap on this forgotten password link just below the password box, and from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to reset your password. Now after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and tap on this login button. Soon after doing that, now you will see you have successfully been logged in to your Ubisoft account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Ubisoft account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.